Hey everybody, so glad to finally be bringing you a DIY. If you've never been here before, make sure to subscribe. If you want to see how I managed to get a hole in this little Dollar Tree decor piece and make this cute succulent holder, then keep on watching. When I saw this little rhino, I knew I wanted to put a little hole and put something cute in him. So here's how I made the hole. Scared. That's too fast. I'm scared. Why? What do you think's gonna happen?
The hole ain't big enough. Make the hole in the back bigger.
This is supposed to be fun, so don't get stressed. I think I can get a little more right here. Oh, it scared me.
No, just keep drilling it. More. All right.
Okay. Now what?
Do one in the back.
But maybe I can just cut this out.
Yeah, we'll do that different.
All right. A hole that big is perfect. I'm just gonna stop here. I can always do more. Now the footage of how I got the hole in there, it's a little dark, but you get the drift. We used a metal bit, a tapered bit, and I don't actually have a house drill. We only have one that plugs in that usually stays in the garage, so that's why we were in the dungeon drilling a hole in this. It was pretty easy. I did crack one. We just got carried away and we're rushing, and you could easily, and I still might crazy glue it and then give it a quick coat of spray paint and make this guy have a little friend. So I really wanted to put real succulents in here, and I still might. I just didn't feel like making a big mess right now, and it looks so cute with the faux succulent and with the air plant. Beautiful with the air plant and with the faux succulent in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I originally planned for this little guy and just pot him right next door to the parent plant so that this can get bushier and bushier. How beautiful is that? The fertilizer that I'm using is working great. If you are into succulents like I am, make sure to go check out my succulent video. I only have one up currently. But you guys, how amazing is this rhino? We have a planter for literally $2. That is like home decor that would cost $25 at Home Goods. I just am so amazed with it. I'm so excited. I knew from the moment I saw it I wanted to drill a hole in the top, and I'm so grateful I made it happen. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be kind to one another. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I have another succulent DIY faux succulent wall decor coming up, so make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.